Yes. Don't try this. Please find a better way to remove the find a better way to remove it. Hello guys. Yes. This is KB Custom. So welcome to this one. Yes, in this video, the quick one, you can see project still ongoing on. Yes. On this transam, yes, I have issue with the door. So I am going to show you how to fix the door latches. Is it latches or inches? Yes, I'm going to show you how to fix it. This is how my home does, so I'm going to test it for you to see. I am going to show you how it does. Yes, see that? Taking it off, you can see this clearance. Yes. So guys, I am going to show you how to fix it with just this zinc. Yes, zinc is going to fit this up. So let me get it loose. This is 13 bolts, 613. I am going to lose them. We're going to get this loose. I'm going to use my shoulder to hold it in place. And still not sure. So I get it removed. I remove the cable already. I've detached it. It's 2 cables. So I am going to drop it. So yes. So as you can see, okay, this I have to remove the spring. So you can see this. You see that? It's not good at all. I believe this one too. When I unload this spring, this will be movable. I am going to do it one after the other. You can see this one. You can see how the bushing chopped up from the where it's supposed to be. This is the upper one. Yes, and that's the down one. So I lose the down one first. I am going to fix this first before losing this one. So right now, let's go on the table to fix this. Yes. So now I am going to take off the key. You can see this is the key. Yes, this is the key. I am going to grind it up, then hit this down to get it removed. Yes, grinding it off. And like it. So this is it. You can see the bushing have chopped off. You can see it, how pieces it is. Yes, so I am going to fabricate my by using just that zinc. So right now I am going to clean it up with this. Yes. this is too fast. I'm going to get another one. So this one is better. So that is it. I am going to, you can see the level of what I need. So we are going to sound these two. So we are going to, this is zinc. Yes, there's no two way about it. So I am going to roll it, going to roll it as much as I can. I know it will not be more than 2 or 3. Yes, like so. So for me to know how many roll did I need, then I use scissors to cut it like so, then test it out. Which one is inside? It's like this, and okay, so this is it. We are going to test it out like this. So that means the roll is not enough. So I need more than this. So probably I need up to this length. I'm going to roll it more. Roll it. So I am going to cut exactly this type, the length. Now I know how many the length I want. So then I am going to, cut off the edges. Yes, like so. You see that? So I'm going to do this the same way. Yes, roll it back in. can see that. So I will start bending this. Yes, let's try it. Yes, then bend this one after the other, bend it all. Yes, I can also hit it like so, testing it out. Yes, okay. Then I am going to do this one the same way. Then bend it. Then insert it like that. Yes, if you want, you can also put this to guard it in place. So I'm going to apply grease on it. Before I apply grease on it, I am going to trim it. Then I am going to apply grease to here. And here. And this. So assemble it back like so, like this. Then I'm going to insert this. You can see there is no play again. So that is it. To get this in place, to lock it up, I am going to tack it. Yes, then get this in place. You can see there's no play whatsoever. You see this? So this is how it's supposed to be. So right now I'm going to get the second one, then I'll do the same thing. Yeah. So I remove the second one, the upper one. So I'm just going to show you how to remove this thing. Yes, I don't have any way. I just feel pressing it like this. Yes, you have to be careful for the spring not to, yes, safety, or the spring not to run away. So I'm just going to do it like this. Yes, it will spring back. Yes, I know. Yes. Don't try this. Please find a better way to remove the find a better way to remove it. Yes, don't try it. If anybody is here by my right, Geska is going to hit up the person. So better still, I can still hold it and tie a copper wire to it to hold it to here. Then I'll press it. When you spring, it will go back. Yes. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it back, because I know it's going to be tough to put it back. So I'm going to show you. Stay tuned and see how I'm going to put on this spring back. Yeah. So right now I'm going to do the same thing. There's no point to show you. I'm going to do the same thing with my zinc. Yes. So I'll get you guys back on. So guys, as you can see, I get it done. Yes, so perfect, like it should. So to put this spring, this is how I get it compressed. Yes, I compress it like this by putting jack and put the spring, jack it up, compress it and tie it with this wire. I hope it will work. I'm so afraid. I don't want this spring to spring on me. So let's see how it's going to fit in. Oh yo, no. So I am going to redo it. Yes, putting it downside. So okay, as you can see, I compress it. You see it with two wire. So I am going to, insert it. It's going to be easier for me like this, I believe. Like so. Then I'll press. Yes. I believe it's okay like this. So I am going to push it and release it one by one by cutting the cable off. pressing it like this, and I will release this. I release this. I'm going to release the second one. Yes, I'll still hold it. Place. Yes, as you can see, it's inside. Then I am going to remove this, just cutting it off. So this is it. Yes, getting